They're in the gate. And they're up. Beginning for Ghazali. Regular guy showing some speed with Smiley Sabatka. Mask Parade for the outside post gets a forward spot as well. But it is Regular Guy who steps on it early, crosses and clears over to the inside. Smiley Sabatka comes off the rail to track the pace from second. Mask Parade on the outside is racing in third. Ghazali comes away fourth while down inside. Last Samurai's in fifth. Quantum Leap is right there in the thick of it, running along in sixth. And then it's Scales of Justice moving up into seventh. Perfect Cut is eighth by 4. Drop Baker very restive at the back of the back, fighting the rider to the backstretch run. And Southern Passage the last of them all. The opening quarter goes in 23 and 3/5 seconds. They're moving down the backstretch, and Regular Guy is the leader. Smiley Sabatka, mild pressure from second. Mask Parade 3 wide on that first turn run and stays out there as they head for the half. And then it's Quantum Leap racing up into fourth. Ghazali pushed on for a little bit more speed, trying to keep pace toward the inside, sharing that fourth spot now. Perfect Cut has snuck through underneath, up to be sixth, within 4 lengths of the lead. And it's Last Samurai. Scales of Justice is wide, Drop Anchor, and Southern Passage around the far turn. Mask Parade with a wide trip has come on to put a nose in front. Mask Parade, short lead round the far turn. Smiley Sabatka's under pressure to keep up with that one. So too Regular Guy down toward the rail. Ghazali's asked to go now. Fifth and now fourth and now third while wide. Perfect Cuts in between horses. They're off the turn. They're into the stretch. Big effort for Mask Parade, who has kicked away by 5 just like that. Mask Parade has left them all behind. Ghazali is a clear-cut second, but a distant second to Mask Parade, who rambles home. Mask Parade wins it by 10 lengths on the wire, full of run. Ghazali was second, Last Samurai was third. 4 horses in the photo for fourth.